Hello everyone, welcome to Remindax demo. In this demo, we are going to discuss how the Remindax works. So in the dashboard, you can see we have different parameters where we have expired items, how many items are expired, how many are completed, and how many are pending. And on the basis of those, you can see what is the compliance. So we can see how many are going to expire. This is the window that we would like to see, and we have different forms. If we would like to see how many reminders are going to expire in 4 weeks and how many are going to expire in 3 weeks. So this is the window that we would like to have a look. So yes, we can do that. So we will be able to see how many are total in upcoming, how many are in process. In process means those reminders, all those documents which are going to expire, but there at least one reminder has shooted. So these will be in progress, and any reminders which have not been shooted, so these will be the ones which are upcoming, and there are archived, and there are some inactive as well, where you can see. If you would like to know about this new dashboard, so definitely you can give a click over here, and when you click over there, so you can see all the definitions in each and everything, and there will be a Remindax item lifecycle. So you will be able to know that how this functioning is performed, and you will be able to know that. Coming back to the dashboard screen, you can see the current month view where you can see how many reminders are coming, and this is a tabular view. Basically, we have 4 kinds of reminders: expirations, due dates, appointments, and events. And in the tabular form, we can see how many reminders, how many expirations are coming up. Then we have a subscription plan. We can see where we stand at the moment. These are the recent replies which you will be able to see on your dashboard, and these are basically the ones, the email reminders that you have sent, and the people who have received those reminders and they have replied to you. So you will be able to see all those over here. Then comes the recent activity. Recent activity is with the purpose that you can share comments with each other within a team, or you can, if you are a lone user of the Remindax, so this is basically for the purpose for any kind of a document which is expiring or what is the current state of affairs. So you can give comments and you're able to know. So very next day when you're coming and you would like to see what are the current state of affairs, so you, by looking into the recent activity and the different comments, you are able to know what exactly is going on over here in the dashboard. Now we will be quickly jumping on to setting up a new reminder. So in setting up a new reminder, you will have to basically create a new reminder, and there are 4 kinds of different reminders which you can create, and we are going to click over there. Once you see the expiration window, so here comes the document title, which is XYZ certification. So this is just an example, and if you have different folders, like this is a business data, this is employer data, this is all the certifications, the folders that I have made, so I can basically save those over here. And this is expiration date which I would like to give. Let's say this is going to expire in the month of April, and I would like to have a look auto renew date, when it is going to renew. Does it renew after every year, every month, every week, or every day? So I can choose on the basis of the document cycles. And does it end? No, it doesn't end. Or after how many years? Let's say 1 year. So after how many 3 years, 3 renewals or 5 renewals? So these are the ones where I would like to auto renew it. And you would like to renew the same, renew as copy. So if you renew the same, basically a new document type is basically going to save. And when you renew as copy, so what is going to happen? So the existing reminders or the existing documents, this will remain in the document history, and the new will be coming up in front of you. So it will be mutually exclusive and it will be mutually inclusive. So you will be able to know, so this is the new ones, then old one will be a separate document type and the new one will be a separate document, but renew as copy will be the same and it will be renewed as a copy. And renew update expiration upon reply. So when you are going to basically This is for the purpose of the email reminder that you have sent, and if anybody has given any kind of a comment that I have completed, so the document will automatically renew on the basis of that. Now we will be shifting on to the document type. What is the document type? So over the period, what Remindax has observed that over the past decade, there are some certain types of documents, which is the industry best practices, which most of the time they basically track those documents or what those can be. So this is basically the purpose, so that if you have different documents, you can have a look at those and you can have a custom fields added within the system. So you don't need to add further custom field every time you create a document. So, but again, there is a beauty of the system is that this system can comply to your organizational requirement instead of you complying to this system requirement. So there are different document types in front of you where you can see that there are different document types and you can have a look and you would like to choose. So yes, you can do that. But if there is any document which is not there and you would like to create a new document type, so definitely you can do that. And if you would like to delete any of the custom fields, you can do that, or you would like to create new custom fields in the form of data or text, so you can do that as well. Now comes the reminder sequence. In the reminder sequence, we can see that we can set different duration, and these can be 7 days, weeks, or months. That is totally dependent on us when we would like to send the reminders. So if let's say I would like to send reminders for 3 weeks, 3 days, 7 days, and 10 days, that's the choice of mine. But as many reminders I would like to send, so I can set. But for the instance, I would like to send 3 reminders, and over here I would like to see it's the before expiration and there is an after expiration. So definitely there are people to whom we need to remind them, but it happens that sometimes the expiry date has passed but still they are not taking any action. So we can set the reminders after the expiration date and when the reminders should basically shoot. So that is something, the time which you can choose. And what is the email template? We will be showing you what is the email template, so you will be able to know that this is a particular email template that needs to be along the reminder, which should be any SMS, and what is the SMS that should be come out. Now we will be able to see the contacts, the recipients, and over here we have different groups. So let's say we have different default group and we would like to send reminders to different people, and what is the email, SMS, and WhatsApp. So that's my choice if I would like to choose that. And so this is before expiration reminder that I have done, but there are some people, even if you have a hierarchy and you would like to send reminder to another set of people, let's say I have given reminders 3 days, 7 days, and 10 days before, and I would like to send reminders now 3 days, 2 days, and 1 days before to another group of people, so that in the same team they are able to know that we have given the reminders to the team and they have not taken any action or something like that. But if you would like to give reminders to similar people, but now you would like to give them reminders after the expiration date, so yes, you can choose a new set of reminders, new sequence, and here you can choose them by sending the reminders to them and you can proceed with that. And if there are any attachments in the certifications, you can have all these documents from the drive folder. You can pick up those, or you would like to upload. So yes, you can do that as well. So we can attach the file and we just hit the save button and we're good to go with setting up a reminder on the Remindax. So this is our accomplishment that we have done. Now this is for creating a new reminder, but in case if you have an Excel file and you would like to import in bulk, so definitely you can do that as well. But there are some prerequisitions in which you should be cognizant of those. These are important note. The following below instructions to upload a data file. Use only the provided Excel template file. Download the expiration due date template. This is something which you will have to download first, and after that you need to input all the requirements, all the fields, and this is for appointment events. Do not delete the first row of the Excel sheet. And if you are entering a date in any cell, use date format defined in your Remindax account settings. So this is important and I'm going to show you in the Remindax setting. And please check your Remindax account setting sections to know about your selected formats. Over here you can go and select. Import limit, at the moment it is for first 100 rows, and columns with the asterisks are required. So while you are importing, so there are two things that you will have to take care of in the settings. So first of all, you will have to see what is the date format that you're following. Let's say if it is like that for the expiration date, so yes, you will have to choose, and the reminders that you would like to set. So let's say 3 days, 7 days and 10 days reminders you would like to save, and it should go at 10 a.m. so that should be done. So you would like to choose, so you can do that and hit the save. So this basically will help you out in importing the reminders, and all the reminders will be in 3, 7 and 10 days sequence will be selected. So once you are done while downloading that template, and after that you have done, now you can choose file and you can import the data. Here we are going to give you a glimpse of the template, which you can see over here. Basically you need to add what document type is it is, what is the expiration date, what are the document title you would like to save. You can basically choose document title from your Excel file. If there are any notes you would like to add, so you can do that. And there are custom field. So what is the custom field? Custom field 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as many as you like. And on the basis of that, if that is a first name, that is bank, that is city, or that is a number, that's a limit, and what is basically the value. So you need to add those, what is the issue date, and you would like to add the value. So yes, you can do that. So this is how basically you will be importing all the files in Excel, adding all the data in the Excel, and then importing all this file to import the data, and this is how all your reminder will be imported. Similarly, the export function works like that. So you have to select the folders from where you would like to choose. Like I have a business data and I would like to include subfolders, and what I would like to export. I would like to export which are expiring in 10 days, or the custom date range which I would like to choose. So yes, I can do that and just export the data and I'm good to go. So this is how I can export the data. Now we will be jumping on to the Explorer section. In the Explorer section, you will be able to see that all your reminders are over here in these different documents, and you can see there are different folders. You will be able to see how many total items are there, and over here there are different folders. So you will be able to know what document type it is, what are the custom fields which are added in the system, what is the expiration date, what is the status of this, it is active or it is inactive, and then what is the status of the reminder. So this active status is for this document, and the status is for the reminders. Either they are coming, they are in process, they are expired, which are upcoming. So you will be able to know over there. Does it have any folders? So for the folders, you will be able to see the folders, and every folder has how many items, so you will be able to see those. Who is the user who has created, and the date created, you can see when it was created. Now you would like to take some actions. You would like to edit, move or delete the folder, you can do that. And similarly with the document, you can move to different folders, you can duplicate, you can archive it. So archive means it won't be counted in your subscription plan, or you would like to deactivate at the moment, or you would like to delete. So if you deactivate, so all your reminders will be stopped and these won't be sent. So this is how basically you can deactivate. So when we are going to click on any sample document, item, and we would like to see that if we would like to change the expiration date, so yes, we can do that by editing. And we can see the reminder queue, and we can see there are email reminders which are going to be sent. These are scheduled ones, so you will be able to see, and how many are sent, you will be able to see those. And then you can see there is any attachment, there are any reminder replies that are came through to any reminder recipient has sent you the reminder, so you will be able to see that. If there is a renew history, you will be able to see that as well. And this is the activity that you have basically mentioned. The document is renewed and we are good to go. So similar to that, you can basically hit the save, and this is the activity which you can save over there. Now the choice is yours. You would like to edit it, you would like to delete it, so yes, you can do that as well. Now comes the drive section. In the drive section, basically drive section is for the attachments. So you have all the attachments, all the documents for all your document reminders. So you can basically sending those attachments so that anybody who is basically going to see the reminder, they can see the document as well. So this is a drive section where you can basically see all the files like certifications, there are subfolders or not, and I would like to create a new folder within a folder, I can do that, or I would like to upload a file, I can do that as well. So I will be able to see all the reminders over there, all the documents over there, all the attachments over here, and these are different. If you would like to edit and delete, you can do that. Now we will be looking into the calendar section. In the calendar section, you will have the option to see day, week, month, and year view. So you will be able to see that for the rest of the month or rest of the year what is coming up, so that you're able to know when these are coming up. So this is an holistic picture by the calendar where you can see that. Now we will be looking into the report sections. So report section is evolving, and we have different reports available at the moment. In the reminder reports, we can see there are different reminders which are set, and we would like to see how many are sent, how many are failed, how many are scheduled. If we would like to see for the progress for the month of November, so yes, we can have a look and we can share, we can see that what is the status. So we can do that, and we can print and we can view the report. Coming back to the report section, we have a document validity report, generate a report by document validity. So we will be able to see for all the documents, and we will be able to see either they are valid, they are expired, or something like that. So we will be able to see for a particular time period we would like to see, and yes, we can do that. Then we have reminder replies report. All the people who have sent us the reply, we can see all the reminders, and all the people and all the activity that we have performed. So we will be able to see that. In the activity section, we would like to see if we have any comment so far. So yes, we will be able to see. We would like to give it a print, we would like to have a view. So yes, definitely we can do that. Then in the report sections, we have user permission report. We can see the permissions, like there's David Charles, and we can see that they are different sections where we have given some permissions, and we can see what permissions we have given for any company and any department. We can have a look at that. In the manage section, we will be able to see the document types. The document types are basically the ones which you can all together create your own. You would like to delete these ones, you can delete these ones. You would like to create new ones, so you can create a new document type and create the custom fields. So yes, definitely you can do that. And with every document type, you will be able to see how many items are there. Here comes the contact section. In the contact section, we will be able to see that who are the reminder recipients. So this contact list is basically the people to whom we are going to give the reminders, and we can create a contact, we can import the contacts through Excel file, and we can add name, email address, mobile number, and any other information we would like to add in the custom fields. We can do that as well. For information, if we would like to manage the groups, we can do that as well. If we are managing the groups, so we can just click over there, and there are different contacts in different groups, external clients, internal employees, suppliers. So anything like that can be done in the contact section. Now there are users. So there are users who would like, there's a team, basically the team of yours who would be managing the system. So you will be able to basically give permissions that you can edit the user, you can basically disable the user, you can see their audit log, you can make them admin, you can delete the user. So that's your choice. If there's a permission you would like to give for any company, if you have multiple companies but you would like to give permission to one company, or you have multiple departments and you would like to give permission to just one department, and you would like to give view, create, update and delete, so yes, that's your choice, that I won't like this user to delete or edit, but I would like to give only the view access, so yes, I can do that. Hit the save permissions and I'm good to go. So this person will be able to only see the HR department related all the reminders. There comes the companies. In the company section, basically we can create multiple companies and we can give different limited resources to them on the basis of their usage, so we can do that. And we have different departments, so we can create multiple departments and these departments can work in different companies. Now we will be coming on to the templates topic. Templates are for 3: email, SMS and WhatsApp. So we can see different email templates. So if we would like to edit the existing one, we can do that. If we would like to create a new email template, we can do that as well. So if we are creating a new email template, then this is a from name. Let's say this is your name or your company name and you would like to mention, so this is from the Amazon and Mr. Michael is there who will be receiving reminders from at amazon.com, Michael at Amazon. This is just for example. So whenever the email is going, so this is the from name that will be shown, and anybody who is replying, so you will be able to see reply over there on your this email. And this is the subject. Over here you can mention expiring, document type, folder name, but there are different template variables which you can use, and you can mention the, let's say, expiring, document type, expiring on expiry date, so you can mention that. And now we can see that we have a default template in front of us and we would like to delete some rows and columns, so we can do that. I don't want this, I don't want this row, I don't want department or company because I have just one, but this is the expiry date which I would like to give it a bold color so that anybody who is seeing, they can do that. I would like to give it a red color as well because this is something I would like to let people know. And if I would like to give dear, now I have chosen, I can remove dear underscore customer first name, so you can basically choose the name as well, contact first name, so you can choose the contact first name over here, dear contact first name, the document is expiring as per below details, kindly take action promptly. So this is basically the email template which I can basically create a new one. That is totally dependent on me and how I would like to create one, and if I would like to add further my signatures, I can do that. How does it really looks like? If I don't want to see the Remindax logo, I can choose it. And if I would like to add logo of my company, so I can just choose the picture of the logo and I can insert that and it will be shown over here, and you will be able to see that you can, anybody who is receiving the email reminder, they will be able to see, so this is from the company, from your company. If you would like to see how does it really email template look like before sending to anyone, and you would like to see, I would like to see Michael at amazon.com, just give an example, how does the email look like, so you can send the test email and have a look at that. Then there are different template variables which you can see, and there are different template design help where you can see that what you need to do. So this is how basically you will be setting a template. Now we will be jumping on to the email template for SMS, and in the SMS we know that we have character limit for 160 characters, and we need to see that our text should be as per the 60 characters. Reminder alert, hello, and your document is expiring on expiry date. We appreciate your prompt action. So this is how basically you will be able to see how many characters are left, and you would like to set up the expiration. So that's your choice to give the name, and you can do that. This is an expiration SMS I would like to send. So yes, you can do that as well. I know I have, the spellings are not right. So yes, definitely I can choose the right. And after that, this is WhatsApp. In the WhatsApp template, there is a limitation. So you will be able to see that this is something which is coming up. And basically in the comment section, you can see there is, you have basically in the notes section of the reminder, over here you can basically see there are notes, whatever the notes you have given. So over here you can give the notes over here as well. So there is a limitation, but for expiration it will be shown like this. Then there's the subscription plan that you have purchased. So you will be able to see what is a subscription plan. If you would like to basically jump onto a bigger plan, so you can do that, and you would like to see your billing and information, you can do that as well. There comes the settings. In the settings, you can see you can set your time zone, you can select your language, you can select the time zone, a date format as per your choice. You would like to switch on or off any services, you can do that. And if there are any default reminders, so you can default reminder sequence, so you can do that. And if there are any default contacts as well, and you would like to send default reminders to them, you can do that as well. In the AI Smart Doc, basically you can see this is a new functionality that has been introduced, and in that you can upload any document. Let's say there is a driving license, so the system is going to pick up the expiration date, and it is going to pick up it is going to pre-fill the document for you, so that the human labor is limited, and AI can quickly basically fill up the fields for you, and you can upload the document. Now quickly we can see that we have different departments. If we would like to switch to the different departments, and if we would like to see different companies, we can do that. And here's my profile. I would like to see my settings, my subscription, and if I would like to contact the support, so I have the choice to contact the support over here, or I can just on the quick links, I can click over there and I can see my subscription plan over. So that's it from my side. If you have any question, you just contact the support and you can proceed to ask any question, and we will be happy to assist you. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.